that you're diving into dropshipping and feeling a little bit overwhelmed by some of the mistakes people have been warning you about. Don't worry about it. I've been there. In this video, I'm breaking down the biggest blunders that sink new dropshippers and showing you exactly what not to do so you can fast track your success. So, that can be one of the easiest ways to start an online business, but let's be real. It's not a set and forget it. I've seen countless beginners stumble over the same costly mistakes. That's why I will save you time and money and headaches today by highlighting the top mistakes to avoid and how to sidestep them like a pro. So grab a notebook, a cup of coffee. You'll want to take notes for this one. First up, choosing the wrong products. This is where many beginners need help to get through the gate. Look, not every trending product is a winner, and you must focus on products with consistent demand, a clear targeted audience, and good profit margins. And please, don't pick something just because it's cheap and flashy. You got to do your research, do your Google Trends, test search volumes, and read customer reviews. And remember, a good product can make or break your store. Mistake number 2, not vetting your suppliers. Hey, this is the bad one. A bad supplier can destroy your business faster than you can say, "Would like a refund." Well, late shipping, poor product quality, or zero customer support. These can tank your reputation before committing. Order simple products to check quality and delivery times. Trust me, it's better to spend a little now than lose big later. Next up, overcomplicating your website. Beginners often think they need a flashy, overly designed site, but guess what? Customers think about 2 things: trust and usability. Keep your website clean, fast, and easy to navigate. A simple layout with clear product descriptions and trust badges will improve conversion rates. And don't overthink it. Mistake number 4, not investing in marketing. Many dropshippers think they can magically get sales just by launching their store. Newsflash, your store is only visible with proper marketing. Learn how to run a targeted Facebook ads, leverage influence, even free organic methods like TikTok. But whatever you do, have a good marketing plan before you launch. And finally, ignoring customer experience. This is a huge one. Dropshippers focus on so much on getting sales that they must remember what happens afterwards. Slow shipping, no communication, a lack of post-sale support kill your business faster than you can think. Keep your customers updated, handle refunds professionally, and ensure they feel valued. Happy customers lead to repeat business and more profit for you. So, there you have it, the top dropshipping mistakes and how to avoid them. Dropshipping can, like I said, can be a fantastic business model, but only if you play your cards right. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense tips to grow your online business. And hey, drop me a comment below. What's been your biggest challenge with dropshipping? Let's talk about it. And check out my next video on affiliate marketing, secrets to take your affiliate marketing to the next level. And I'll see you there. As always, this is Scott. Peace out.